So this is the continuation of the previous video, and now in this video we're going to talk about the science behind temples. Not only just temples, science behind religious places and how they are actually constructed. So all of us know that when religious places are constructed, we recite certain mantras, we do some pujas or rituals in order to make sure that some energy is actually locked in that particular area, right? So there is this scientific equipment which is called as Leacher antenna. So when consecrating this Adiyogi Center of Isha Foundation, people found that so using this Leacher antenna, basically you can measure energy of a particular place. So when they measured, when they were consecrating okay, when they measured, when they were consecrating the Adiyogi temple of Isha, they found that the energy was up to 100 million units. So that is like huge amount of energy in a particular place. So that's why when you go to some religious places, that's why when you go to certain places, you get that vibe, that kind of silent vibe. And that's why they say if you go to temple, if you go to church, if you go to any place of worship, just sit there for some time and make sure that you get in that energy. That is why people say just sit some places. And especially in temples, all the deities, right, the main deity, everything is made up of metals, a combination of metals which is called as Panchaloha. So these metals are to make sure that that vibe stays within the metal, so that whenever you come, you pray to the deity and they do some kind of rituals during full moon, new moon, etc., so that the vibe will stay there and you can get that energy, you can get the positivity. So this is like the science behind religious places. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is actually why do we ring bells, even in temples, even in church, everywhere we ring bells, right? So basically, or scientifically, it is proven that when you ring bell, the sound and the vibration that it produces, make sure that there is a connection formed between your right and left brain so that your brain gets activated. Yeah, so this is the scientific reason behind bells. So whenever you go to a temple, whenever you go to a church, make sure you ring the bell. Or hear someone ring it. Not only these facts about temples, but the construction of temple also has a lot of geographical and geometrical significance behind it. So if you see that all of us know that the 5 temples of Shiva, which is in a straight line in India, right? So the earth temple, which is in Kanchipuram, the water temple, which is in Thiruvannakkal, the fire temple, which is in Thiruvannamalai, the air temple, which is in Kalahasti, and the Akash temple, which is in Chidambaram. And in addition to the 5 above, the temple of Kedarnath in the north and the temple of Rameshwaram in the south is actually aligned properly and perfectly to 79 degree east and 41 degree longitude. So this accuracy of geographical location as well as the geometry behind building all these temples is enormous. And even behind all these geometries, there is something spiritual that is yet to be explored by me. So if you guys also want to explore, do check out the book.